No thanks. I can see that, but I'm taken. I do, but now I eat salad. Welcome everyone. Today we are going to Tops. It is a mid-range supermarket. Not as expensive as Villa and not as cheap as Macro. Mid-range. I want to quickly mention that the cheapest option for buying produce would be the local wet markets. I visited them a few times and they are great if you're up to that. Speaking a little Thai, the very basics would go a long way. There is another last minute option for groceries, and that is your local 7-Eleven. They usually have a small selection of fresh veggies and fruits. Today, I'm taking you along for a small grocery run. Look at all that wonderful fruit. Most supermarkets have a bakery section which is both wonderful and many a folks' kryptonite, including yours truly. We also have a nice little cafe here. We have the chilled food to go section on the right there. They have items like sandwiches, cooked rice, onigiri, drinks and more. Here we have the cut fruits. We will be coming back for these. This is the salad bar, which used to be an open one earlier during simpler times. Now they are pre-packaged. I like these roasted vegetables. Let's get one. We have more ready-to-eat meals. Mostly local food, but we can also have some fusion cuisine like pasta with a local twist. I've tried these many times and they are pretty decent. I prefer freshly cooked food from a local restaurant, but these are a nice and convenient option. And now we are in my favorite veggie section. Yay! Just look at all this veggie awesomeness. I need to pick up a few things. Pre-chopped veggies. Love the convenience. And a variety of mushrooms. I tried some of these for the first time in Thailand. And the always convenient salad mixes. Ready to eat, no washing required. Got one packet. Some cucumbers. And some cherry tomatoes. That is what they are called, right? They have these fancy looking multicolored carrots. I've not tried them yet. And folks, I have no idea what celery is or how to cook it. I believe it is popular in the West. Time to get some cut fruits because we are indeed as lazy as they come. I got papaya and dragon fruit. Yum! I'm not buying any meat today, but they have a decent selection including options that are free from antibiotics and hormones. So that is good. They have a pretty decent frozen food section. There is more on the other side that we will see later. Pretty big chilled deli section with meats, cold cuts, cheese and whatnot. And since we are in Asia, it also has local items like egg tofu and soy tofu. The variety of eggs always baffles me. When I was a kid, we just had eggs, one product. Now we need an algorithm to decide what kind of eggs to buy. Anyway, bought a carton of large eggs. All that cheese. I just needed some cheddar slices. Time to buy some milk. And now yogurt. Unfortunately, the one I want is not there, so I picked an alternative. I like this brand of granola. This is another local item that I use a lot. Ginger powder to put in my milk tea. Over to the canned goods section. Canned tomatoes, because you guessed it, convenience. And I love these lentils. No trip to a Thai supermarket can be complete without visiting the instant noodle section. My favorite brand is Indomie, which happens to be from Indonesia. Iconic Mama brand of noodles from Thailand. Korean food is super popular in Thailand, and most supermarkets have a Korean foods section. And my favorite, Japanese curry. I already have some at home. I'm only allowed to look at these. Fun fact, I have never in my life eaten only one cookie. Need to get some peanut butter, the regular industrial variant. None of that drippy, super healthy, 100% organic peanuts only stuff for me. There we go. Looks good, looks good. Oh, I love these. I can easily have the whole bag. In fact, I already have on several occasions. These wafers are yummy. The red ones are chocolate hazelnut. Matcha flavored Kit Kat. I like them, but my favorite flavor is wasabi, which I haven't seen in Thailand yet. Heading back to the frozen food section, I need to buy some frozen berries. I got this frozen fruit mix with blackberries, cherries, blackcurrants and grapes. And I got some blueberries. By the way, there are cheaper options available for frozen fruit. I just wanted to try out this specific brand. I also got some white onions and some potatoes, but I forgot to film them. And that is the end of my shopping. They have self-checkout counters, but I will head over to an old school checkout counter with a human person. Hope you all got an idea of how a typical supermarket experience is in Thailand. If you enjoyed the video, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing. Until the next one, take care.